In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish the website in Webflow when you make changes. First, open Webflow in your browser and head into your workspace. From there, go to your dashboard so you can see all your projects. Locate the site you're working on and click Open in Webflow to launch the designer. This is where you'll make and review your edits before pushing anything live. Once the designer opens, take a moment to make sure your recent changes look the way you expect. On the right-hand side, you'll see the panels that control how elements behave and appear. Click into the Style panel to confirm your typography, spacing, colors, and layout are correct. If you've made tweaks to classes or components, this is a good place to verify that those styles cascade properly across similar elements. Next, move to the Settings panel in that same right sidebar. This tab is great for double-checking element-level details like IDs, attributes, alt text for images, and link destinations. If you're working with forms, sliders, or embeds, make sure everything is configured as intended. Then click over to Interactions. If your page uses animations or triggers, scrub through those timelines and preview interactions to confirm they're smooth and triggered by the correct elements. If something feels off, adjust it now so your published site behaves reliably. When you're done reviewing interactions, return to the Settings panel briefly to ensure any last element settings are locked in. It's always faster to catch small issues here than after publishing. Now you're ready to publish. Look to the top right of the designer and click the Publish button. A dialog will appear showing your available domains. You'll typically see your project's staging subdomain and, if connected, your custom domain. Select the domains you want to publish to, then click Publish to selected domains. A few quick tips while that finishes. Publishing to the staging subdomain is great for a final check before pushing to your custom domain. If you don't see your changes immediately on the live site, give it a minute and refresh. Caching can delay updates briefly. CMS content updates often publish quickly, but large design overhauls can take a touch longer. If something doesn't look right after publishing, return to the designer, adjust in the appropriate panel, Style, Settings, or Interactions, and publish again. That's it. By opening your project from the dashboard, reviewing your work in Style, Settings, and Interactions, then using the Publish button and confirming Publish to selected domains, you'll reliably push your Webflow changes